Segura. Trevor Cahill. Bit of gold. Oh, I'm happy to be back with another RC Explosion box rip. This is the June edition box. Should be loaded with fun packs. I'm excited to chase some rookies and prospects, and maybe we'll find a hit or two. I really appreciate you coming along for the journey. This is Tommy's Breaks. Okay, let's get right in. Here's our lineup. You can pause that if you want to take a look. I'm going to clean this out and I'll be right back. Okay. And I think we're going to go right through the order that we see them here. 1992 Bowman. Give it a little pre-crack just in case. Mariano Rivera, Mike Piazza, Manny, Trevor Hoffman potentially. Let's see what we've got here. I'm pretty bad at this. Okay. Dan Smith. Eddie Williams. I've seen the Manny card in this, I believe. Not Manuel Lee, but Manny Ramirez. Canseco. And the gold is Jim Olander. Ryan Turner. Andy Ashby.
Einhorn is Finkel. Finkel is Einhorn.
Einhorn. Don Paul. Eric King. Guillermo Velasquez. Benji Gill. Willie Randolph. And Deion Sanders.
Here's the 1-0. Fly ball deep to right field. Andre Dawson back, and Deion Sanders has put the Braves ahead 2-1.
Next up, 18 Heritage High Number. This is the guys from that 18 class. Soto, Acuna. Glaber's making a little comeback these days. Dyson. Oh, look at that.
On my defense.
Fly ball again. Acuna deep left center. He's got 2 homers.
These are the hands I'm talking about. Even in slow motion, they are fast. This crowd is on their feet.
Pretty sweet. I've had some good luck finding some Acunas this year so far. Bam! Pretty nice Acuna rookie. Kick things off, and it's beautiful looking over at that 18 update as well. Had to find another one of them in there. Tyler Clippard. Med Rosario rookie performers. Oh, how about that for a pack?
Soto, high in the air, deep center. See you later.
Love the way this box is starting off. Let's see what else is in this pack. Matt Duffy, Shane Green, and a J.D. Davis. Wow, if that wasn't a sweet pack of update. I'm sorry, I number. I'm not sure what it is. I'm saving that 18 update. It's one of my favorite sets. I'm going to open it last. Let's jump over to 19 Series 1. See who we can find in here. This will be some gold cups of the 18 class, plus some others. Justin Upton, Logan Morrison, Colombe. I think that's an 84. Reese Hoskins. Schwarber, tops now. Oh, I thought that was a Soto. Harrison Bader, Matt Carpenter, Jonathan Shoup, Alberto Mondesi, Conforto, and Odubel Herrera. All right. 21 Bowman. These are all pretty much prospects that we're going to be chasing down here. Some bending going on in there. So let's see what we have. Might just be inserts. Dax Fulton.
How's it going, Mr. Francisco, that's fun to say.
Francisco Alvarez, Jordan Walker. I know it's not a first, but he was a pretty high pick. Sisto. Jordan. He's having a pretty good year this year. Jacob deGrom. Clevenger. Chapman. Javi. Let's see what we've got here. I think that's Casey Mize. Rookie of the Year favorites, Casey Mize. And you got a couple of Chromes. Edward Cabrera and Mario Feliciano. Next up, some topped Chrome. Really looking forward to seeing if the little Shohei right off the top. Looks like we got a 86 throwback. Shohei. David Peterson. Robles. And Orioles. Nice Mountcastle rookie. Not bad. 2 packs to go. 22 Bowman. I'm not even super familiar with this class of prospects yet. But we'll check them out. Joe Adell. Yachty. DeGrom. Corey Seager. The first High Five Futures of Noel V. Marte, I think. Luca Tresh. Rincon. Hernandez, I guess. There's another Tresh. And Christian Hernandez. Let's bring it home. Last pack magic.
This is my last shot at a winner.
2018 update. All right. Winkler. Austin Meadows. Segura. Trevor Cahill. Bit of gold. Oh, a gold debut of Shohei Ohtani.
Do I hit 3 for 3? Ohtani! Gone!
Out of 2018, 1702. That's a beauty. That's why I saved the 18 update for last always. Just never know. There could be some real big ones in there. Mike Fires. Oh, it's the debut pack. Very nice. All right, let's bring this pack. Final pack to close. Jose Ramirez and Edwin Diaz. So just to do a quick recap, pulled a couple of cards out of the 92 Bowman. Jose Canseco, Dion. Also grabbed a number of veterans and rookies out of Bowman, some top draft picks. Had a cool Reese Hoskins insert on the 84 throwback. I keep saying 84. I'm pretty sure it's 84. Mountcastle and Ohtani out of the Topps Chrome. Hit a rookie debut of Acuna along with a gold Ohtani debut, which is out of 2018, out of the same pack. And then we got Soto and Acuna out of the Heritage High Number. Pretty successful box if you ask me. We're chasing rookies and prospects, and that's exactly what we found. Filmington always puts out a great product, and this is my favorite time of the month. Stay tuned for the high-end box, which will be soon to follow after this video. I hope, anyway. If you enjoyed the break, please hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't yet already, consider subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate that support. This is Tommy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.